Hello children, welcome to my channel. Children, today we will learn about animals and their house. So, let's know about it. This is bird and bird house called nest. This is cow and cow live in shade. This is horse and horse lives in stable. This is lion and lion live in den. This is tiger and tiger lives in cave. This is rabbit and rabbit live in burrow. This is sheep and sheep's house called pen. This is dog and dog live in kennel. This is honeybee and honeybee's house called hive. This is ant and ant live in ant hill. This is hen and hen live in coop. This is snake and snake live in hole. This is spider and spider's house called spider web. Thank you for watching.